242. The Amemiya Boost Up 7 is a street machine created by the RE Amemiya Corporation, the legendary tuner of rotary-powered cars renowned for its activity in the Super GT and D1GP. The front, rear, side aerodynamic parts and the fixed position sleek light kit are all RE Amemiya original designs. RE Amemiya has a variety of aerodynamic parts available, including even a GT replica kit, but this particular model has a presence that stands out from the others. In terms of driving performance, the specs live up to the unique exterior. Though the turbo is kept stock and the power is only increased through additional boost, the car still produces over 365 bhp with a maximum boost of 1 kg, along with a maximum torque of 274.8 lb-ft. It is set up to produce abundant torque from the mid-speed range. It is also equipped with a horizontally mounted intercooler kit, an aftermarket air cleaner, dolphin tail exhaust muffler, and everything from the cooling system, accessories and exhaust system have been thoroughly revised. In addition to these engine characteristics, the quantum-based Amemiya spec adjustable suspension has been perfected to a level which draws out the true character of the FD3S as the ultimate cornering machine. In the Japanese DVD magazine Hot version, it was shown to be utterly undefeatable on winding roads, and was dubbed the Demon Lord of Mountain Paths.